You're standing at airport immigration. The officer looks at you and asks a simple question in English, and your mind goes completely blank. Your face gets hot. Your hands start to sweat. Behind you, there's a long line of tired travelers, watching, waiting. This exact moment happens to thousands of English learners at gates and immigration counters every single day. Not because their English is bad, but because airport English can sound completely different when you're nervous in hearing it in real life. You don't need hundreds of phrases for this. You need about 40, the real ones, and once you know them, you can walk through any airport calm and in control. I'm Mark, and this is Natural English Daily, the channel where we build real natural English together, one day at a time. This is day 5 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. First time here? Welcome. Jump in with me right now, no matter where you're starting from. Every lesson works on its own. The method is simple. Hear a sentence, say a sentence. Just copy and repeat. No grammar rules to memorize. Just your mouth learning the shape of real English. Today's skill, the airport, from check-in to landing. Recovering 40 phrases you'll actually hear and use in 4 easy sets. Check-in, security, immigration, and boarding. Then a bonus set for when things don't go as planned, because on real trips, sometimes they don't. Ready? Let's start shadowing now. I'd like to check in for my flight. I'd like to check in for my flight. I'd like to check in for my flight. Here's my passport. Here's my passport. Here's my passport. I have one bag to check. I have one bag to check. I have one bag to check. Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Where do I drop off my luggage? Where do I drop off my luggage? Where do I drop off my luggage? Is my bag overweight? Is my bag overweight? Is my bag overweight? Can I carry this on board? Can I carry this on board? Can I carry this on board? What gate is my flight at? What gate is my flight at? What gate is my flight at? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? Nice work. That's check-in handled. These phrases work at counters in almost every airport you'll fly through. Quick tip. Notice how "can I get" almost blends into one sound? Can I get? Native speakers link words together like this constantly. Try it. Can I get a window seat? I need to go through security. I need to go through security. I need to go through security. Can I keep my shoes on? Can I keep my shoes on? Can I keep my shoes on? Where do I put my laptop? Where do I put my laptop? Where do I put my laptop? Is this line for international flights? Is this line for international flights? Is this line for international flights? Do I need to take off my belt? Do I need to take off my belt? Do I need to take off my belt? Can I bring this water bottle? Can I bring this water bottle? Can I bring this water bottle? Do I need to take my laptop out? Do I need to take my laptop out? Do I need to take my laptop out? Is this bag too big for carry-on? Is this bag too big for carry-on? Is this bag too big for carry-on? Can I go through with my jacket on? Can I go through with my jacket on? Can I go through with my jacket on? Do I need to take my liquids out? Do I need to take my liquids out? Do I need to take my liquids out? That's the security line covered, the part that makes most people freeze. Now let's tackle immigration. Here's my passport, please. Here's my passport, please. Here's my passport, please. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for tourism. Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? How long are you staying? How long are you staying? How long are you staying? I'm staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying for 2 weeks. Are you traveling alone? Are you traveling alone? Are you traveling alone? No, I'm traveling with my family. No, I'm traveling with my family. No, I'm traveling with my family. Here's my return ticket. Here's my return ticket. Here's my return ticket. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Notice how simple these answers actually are. Short questions, short answers. That's the real secret of airport English. It's not complicated, it's just unfamiliar until you've heard it a few times.
Excuse me, is this gate B12? Excuse me, is this gate B12? Excuse me, is this gate B12? When do we start boarding? When do we start boarding? When do we start boarding? Can I see your boarding pass? Can I see your boarding pass? Can I see your boarding pass? Excuse me, I think that's my seat. Excuse me, I think that's my seat. Excuse me, I think that's my seat. Can you help me with my bag? Can you help me with my bag? Can you help me with my bag? Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? What time do we land? What time do we land? What time do we land? Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Sorry, which gate did you say? Sorry, which gate did you say? Sorry, which gate did you say?
That's 40 real airport phrases shadowed from check-in all the way to your seat. Now, one more set, because real trips don't always go smoothly, and knowing what to say when they don't is just as important.
Excuse me, is my flight delayed? Excuse me, is my flight delayed? Excuse me, is my flight delayed? What's the new departure time? What's the new departure time? What's the new departure time? I think I missed my connection. I think I missed my connection. I think I missed my connection. Can you help me rebook my flight? Can you help me rebook my flight? Can you help me rebook my flight? My bag is missing. Where should I go? My bag is missing. Where should I go? My bag is missing. Where should I go? Is there a customer service desk nearby? Is there a customer service desk nearby? Is there a customer service desk nearby?
Perfect. Now you're ready, not just for a perfect trip, but for a real one. Let's put everything together in a few real conversations.
Shadow story. Check-in counter. I'll be the passenger and you'll be the counter staff. Shadow along with me, line by line. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Any bags to check today?
I have one bag to check. Is it overweight?
No, you're fine. Window or aisle?
Can I get a window seat?
Perfect. Your flight is on time. Gate B12. Boarding starts at 2:30.
Thank you so much. Nice. That's check-in handled like a pro, but if we're being honest, that's not the part that makes people nervous. The real test is still ahead. Shadow story, immigration. This is the part that makes everyone a little nervous. Not you, not anymore. Notice how the traveler uses repair phrases when something isn't clear. That's just as important as the answers themselves. Shadow along. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 2 weeks.
Are you traveling with anyone or on your own?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm traveling with my family.
Do you have a return ticket?
Here's my return ticket.
Anything to declare?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Do you have anything to declare?
I have nothing to declare.
Welcome. Enjoy your trip. Perfect. You just handled 2 of the toughest airport moments, check-in and immigration in English, without freezing once.
Before you go, pick one of today's conversations and run through it one more time out loud on your own. That repetition is what makes it stick. That's day 5 done. Comment day 5 done below so I know you're with me. Next lesson, we're talking about vacation, how to actually tell someone where you went, what you did, and how it was without freezing after it was good. Real stories, real excitement in real English. I'll see you there.